Available for charts and diagrams created in SpreadsheetWEB's dashboard module, animations can breathe life into your visualizations and save space at the same time. Instead of creating dozens of visualizations or having your users filter every result one by one, you can add animations to your charts to kill two birds with one stone. To add animations, go to the Animation tab when creating or editing a visualization. The first option, Field, determines which data field is the animation going to be based on. In essence, the unique items from this data field will cycle one by one, and each item will be used to filter the visualization. For example, if you select a data field that contains any number of departments, with the unique values being accounting, production, and sales, the animation will first filter the data by accounting department, then production, and finally sales, consisting of 3 frames. The order field determines the order at which the data items selected in the field option will be used. Selecting ascending will start from A or 0 and go to the next item. Descending will do this in a reverse fashion. You can select from Default, Fade In, Fade Out, and Dim from the Effects option. This selection will play an effect when the animation begins. The default option doesn't use any effects. Duration field is where you can enter a time that will determine how long every frame will stay on the screen before moving on to the next one. This parameter is given in milliseconds. Entering 1000, for example, will play each frame for 1 second. The text entered into the label box governs what will be shown on the bottom of the visualization as the field items cycle through. The two fields that are here by default, field name and field value, can be used in curly braces, and the rest of the text can be modified however you'd like. The field name will display the column name, and the field value will display the data item of each item from the field selection as they play through. Enabling the automatically start the animation option, as the name suggests, will automatically start the animation when the dashboard tab is opened. Enabling loop the animation will loop the animation indefinitely once it begins. Let's try adding animations to some of the charts we have in this dashboard. In this chart, I have bonus by location and department. Let's see how this changes over the years. On this donut chart, I have a distribution of bonuses paid by department. Let's see how this changes over years. When you add animations to a visualization, you will see play and pause buttons on the top of the menu. Pressing these buttons will start or pause the animation. Thank you for watching.